Hello, guys. Good morning to you. This very good morning. Okay, today we'll be looking at linking your CSS file to your HTML file. So let's get right into it. Now, I've created a folder already called YouTube Tutorials. You can see it there. Then I'm only going to create two files. The first one will be index.html, while the second file will be styles.css, right? So in the HTML page, both pages are empty, or both files are empty. So what I will just need to do is use our shortcut Shift 1 and Tab. Then it will populate it. Then I'll just change this name to YouTube Online Tutorials. So how do you link? After this, you just do your link rel style sheet, then create space. Then in the space, I will now do styles.css. Hope you got that. Sorry, not the styles. It's like this, right? Styles.css. Now let's check if it's working. So I'll just create maybe like a paragraph. I'll just call this, okay, let me just populate it with a Lauren Isom words, a random word. So I'll just come to this place. I'll just do maybe body. I'll get a color for it, so that this color I'm doing is the color that will be global. This will be like a global color because it's in body. So the font family to the font type we're using is also going to be global. So I'll just come to the ZH1 or paragraph. So I'll just do like a font size, maybe just to reduce it. I'm supposed to do a general font size in the body, but I'll leave it that way for now. I'll just do a font size here. Now let's go live and see the result of what we have done. Then if we need any tweaking, then we can tweak. So let's just wait for it to open. Okay, still loading. Just a moment. Okay, so look at it. So this is the font size. This is the font size. So if you want to increase the font size, you just go to your CSS, the paragraph. Let's take it to like 1.15 rem and see the effect of it. See, it has gone bigger. You get? So if you want to change, you want to add color to it. Maybe you want this. Okay, maybe you don't want to add color, but you want that particular font to have text decoration like underline. You just do underline. So you have your underline. Now, some of you have asked me this question: can you have multiple CSS linking to a page? Of course, you can have multiple CSS linking to a page, but it would not make sense if the multiple CSS are styling the same thing. So if you have like this, my styles, which is, maybe I might call it general. So I might just rename it and call it general. So in my HTML, I'll just change it to general. Maybe I have a styles for general. So everything, or maybe global, something like that. So everything in this CSS will be global. It's not changeable. Then I will now have another CSS that now affects my file, or maybe I have file for large screens, something like that, large screens. So this is basically for larger screens. Then this, so you can link both of them because both of them are doing the same thing. So I'll just XL screen, right? Finish. So both of them are doing different things. So this is global styling. So everything that is in here affects your entire document. But this is now for specifics, like the XL extra large. Extra large could be screens from laptops and above. So we could have another one called small screen, which is mobile. So you just link them up together. Or another option you can do, which we'll tackle in another class, is to just import them in. You just import them in. It's as simple as that. So you just do, where do you want it to go? Maybe after your this thing, you just import. You get? So you just extra large. So it's just what you're going to do. So there are two options. So it is either you do the import to the main page, to the main global CSS like this, and remove it from here. And since this is coming in and all these are inside, it will still do your work. It is still going to work, right? So if you have any other questions, you can send a message on the WhatsApp group, or when we come to class, you can ask me your message, or ask me your question rather. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.